Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to look at the replace features in Microsoft Word, right? Because if you notice this right here, this sentence, where it says my name are John Brown, right? So we need to correct this particular sentence. But in order for us to correct this sentence without deleting our backspace, there's a feature that's called replace, right? I want to go all the way to home and click on home. I'm going to go to my far right under editing. If you notice right here, it's a replace. You're going to click on word replace. Bring up this particular dialog box. Let's say find what? Replace with. Notice more. Replace all. Next. Find next. Cancel. This right here can actually close it. And if I put the cursor right here, you can actually move it. Right? And it's very important to actually move the document back. Alright, you notice? Alright, so what we want to type here is the word R. So we're going to type R right here. Alright, so find what? So we're going to use the word is. Right here, we're going to type is. And then we're going to click replace once and then click it twice. And then we're going to close all of these. Here, you notice my sentence right here. My name is John Brown. Right, so this is very important with this particular feature. So if and when you get something like this to do, that's where you go and change it. Right, and if you have learned something from this particular video here, remember to share it with your friend. Right, and subscribe.